I saw you get my retro.
Heather knew why X-Men die are a Sega Mega Drive. Teen Nightcrawler. Yeah. Teen Cal Wolf Mutant good at X-Men.
Whoa, it's very like explosive.
Yeah, Teen Teleporter, hwnna beth mae Nightcrawler yn neud. Wyt ti'n gwybod X-Men yn da? Wyt ti'n gwybod X-Men yn da, Jack? Mae hoff mutant fi yn Nightcrawler, so ti'n lwcus. Os mae Nightcrawler yn gallu teleportio, mae'n really cool. Okay. So, yeah, mae'n just taflu ni mewn i again, really yn gofyn.
Again, I like have you on like a lot more updated.
Yeah, mae fel, mae hyn really fast-paced, I mean, mae'n hwyl. Fi'n hoffi gemau fel hyn. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, wait, I think I had like a ladder.
No, I ddim yn ladder. Okay. Okay, do good fi, Jack. Fi ddim yn gwybod beth fi'n neud. Os ti'n gallu, na ti ddim.
Oh, no, my unit's gonna. You're gonna definitely need more for me.
Okay.
Tag him in.
Okay, ffordd hyn, Jack.
Okay, so now like. Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah.
oh, ti'n gallu torri hyn. Hwn cool. Okay.
54 actually.
Wyt ti'n gwybod fel at least un o mutants gyda X-Men?
Like Wolverine and people with like we already like never really did well your film. Wait, let's see the film. Oh.
Okay, just wait over.
Whoa, wait a minute.
Oh, look, fi wedi collectible fi'n credu. Fi'n credu ti ddim yn cael much health left.
It's like full damage. Oh. No,
Yeah, ti wedi marrow. Oh, fi'n on a truck. Okay, na fi ddim. Oh, pam dwi hitio hwnna. Mae'n explodo. Hyn yn actually anodd.
Yeah, really. What's your goal though? BTG.
Fi'n gwybod mynd i
Speedrun of that. Oh my god.
Fi just mynd i redeg.
Come on, tell hwnna.
Oh yes, fi'n cael mwy o health.
Mynd i like, what's her name? Doris for that.
Oh, ti'n gallu double jump. Oh, bloody hell, wedi dod o. Hyn yn really fast paced. Mae'n really da.
Why did you move though?
Fi ddim gwybod, mae'n edrych fel ninjas.
It's got like, your blades, obviously, like, claws.
Claws, yeah. Os ydyn nhw'n gallu mynd trwy hwn? Mae'n nhw'n fair advantage. Oh, okay, fi'n creu fi'n gwybod beth i'n neud. Na. Okay. So, I'm confused. I didn't know ladder knew Beth.
Should double jump a line maybe yeah.
I'm going to double jump on top of it.
This is too good.
Nah, I think I don't him. Wyt ti'n cael hoff superhero?
Never. In half is Spider-Man.
Yeah, mae pawb yn hoffi Spider-Man na.
Yeah,
Oh, ti'n gallu wall jump o! Okay, oh, os ti'n neidio a wedyn press o B, a wedyn neidio eto a press o B, oh, hynna'n cool. Fi ddim wedi gwybod hynna.
Whole time with me.
Okay. Okay.
Oh no.
And the weakness we have poor game.
Gosh, come on then.
We always go
Right
here.
at the top.
Yeah. Didn't really hurl.
Yeah, we would. We didn't really
Well, my
go
dim
far,
hurl
my
is
dog.
he.
Yeah, we did. Is he on a...
Oh my god, my tank. Oh,
It's he forward board runner.
probably did.
Oh yeah, and he probably on because he...
Yeah.
She's smashing me.
Okay.
Oh no. No, to get him in, yeah.
Oh, it's not for dropping.
Oh yeah, to get him. Oh no.
Oh, didn't guy know for him. Said we didn't wake well tonight. Didn't guy jump through ceiling though. Okay. Oh. I think how we Marvel and DC.
I don't believe it. You don't really got the difference. We probably also my ruin and and Gloria and angry like super fans.
Yeah.
Didn't they probably really mad at me?
Yeah.
Like okay.
Oh no.
Oh nah. And look at
Hey Maru.
Whoa.
Okay. Oh.
Whoa, did you actually know it?
Oh. I know, but okay. So you know it.
Okay. Oh, we've been helping
Oh.
laser guy now.
Vish. Oh, what? Cyclops.
Did you actually board on Nightcall last year, Sean?
Yeah, Vish. I bought a Nightcall. Certain
Yeah.
changer. Certain changer.
Did you press off on it?
Yeah, Oh, okay, Nightcrawler.
Board on a laser
Oh,
guy.
Vish. I
Yeah,
have
Hanana
a
guy
Nightcrawler and
played
a
well.
Beast Boy.
We can play two.
Vim and Nightcrawler.
Beast Boy played Hannah.
Sorted. Beast Boy and the guy Hannah. My
Didn't matter my call Beast Boy.
no, man called Beast. Think ready.
My dog
Oh, you
likes
just got
7.
gather the Beast
Oh,
Boy.
right, okay.
Bit of special powers. Oh yes. And amazing. We got he teleporter. Edric Jack. Whoop.
Oh, Ned!
Jack in the special power V.
I found my ruin just ready, like...
Oh, we got he teleporter away.
I felt for it called
Oh,
laser
he-
ice
yeah.
and I'm just like...
He didn't really dive. He really heavy hand. Edric.
Yeah, we brought you Maru
Whoop.
because we just
Whoop.
had just a
Whoop.
So my C...
Okay,
cut
so
Nature.
sorry, we've been obsessed.
My Penny Puna. Grenade, like,
Okay, deal. Jack.
I think.
Team Braun,
We
ready
just
Maru.
made
Oh,
Grenade
I'm
for that.
Barrod.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Oh, we just wait.
Ned saved me.
Yeah, we just teleport over.
Oh no.
My Nightcrawler and the best. Wait, I don't got the teleporter just
Really, I should we will put
Oh.
this my J red grenade.
backstab.
Before I get a J locked.
Okay, never mind. Beam Mindy, teleporter.
No.
Bam! Oh,
Ned,
we already
you brought
saved
Maru,
it.
please.
My teleport's being amazing. My Nightcrawler and the best character to already Maru.
Not only on mid.
Okay,
Extra
them min mount
fighting
a new
red.
battle. Them min, don't lamp in.
No.
Come on.
Stop.
Wait, I don't get teleporter draws.
Boom. You can't
Um,
cool.
On,
wait,
them
Ned,
min mount a new fate her host team in the Maru. My health team really low.
The color thing.
Just R some V, gotta pull back. Okay. Get ha-
Oh no.
Oh, okay, we dive on it.
Setting grenade like a roll.
Oh, roll.
Oh no.
See them guy who roll you up ready.
You actually made like drop here.
Oh, well, we got them kick off. My need damage.
Oh no.
Wow, Jack.
That's all really cool.
To a Maru is same for die why.
Yeah, we would blow us up, yeah.
Well, in good pushing back, pushing work out get him in.
Oh, Ned.
Sorry.
Banter. Oh my gosh.
Oh, my Nightcrawler and so that my teleporter though. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Oh my gosh, and I'm OP.
Yeah. Ah. Oh, okay.
You just got to like skip up there.
Oh, Mindy
Just
first.
dodge our guy.
Yeah.
Go on. Is 13 actually and 30 angen like
Fydd ddim gwybod.
sapio?
Fydd ddim mwy chwarae gêm hyn o blaen. Ni probably angen safio rhywbeth, ie. O, fi'n hoffi platformers. Mae platformers yn
Just them,
beth.
like just now.
Pa gemau wyt ti'n hoffi te?
Hoffi like
Oh, wait,
like
Hit, okay.
like
Neidio, I wouldn't teleport you man. Oh.
rhywbeth beth ti just gallu gwneud yn rhywbeth.
Oh, well, sandbox games.
Yeah,
Yeah, fi'n hoffi nhw
that
hefyd.
A fel yr un arall thing talk about Slime Rancher, yna.
Oh, Slime Rancher, hynny'n gen da. Os mae pobl sydd wedi creu Slime Rancher yn gwylio,
Yeah.
ti wedi gwneud job dda.
Ble ti angen mynd?
Fi ddim yn
Os
gwybod.
mae hynna-
Yeah, hynny'n closed off ydy. Yeah. Fi ddim gallu teleport pob man. Ond fi'n dal hoffi yn ability.
Trio user special ability ti yn mynd trwy.
Ti ddim gallu mynd trwy pethau fi ddim
Gallu
credu.
gwneud fo pan ti ar y wal.
Fi ddim yn gwybod. Na, ond ti'n gallu. Oh, wait.
O, lan fanna.
Mae'n rhoi ti'n speed os ti'n double jump o. A os ti'n kick o. Yeah,
Ti gallu double jump o a clicio.
double jump, kick.
Oh no, just Reddick.
Oh, no.
Reddick, oh no. He's so ready about
Oh, God.
my
Oh, my
God.
teleporting yn brifo pethau. Hip.
Yeah.
Yep. Whoop.
Yep. There are some platforms we actually hoffi fo. They're called
Yay.
Rayman. Rayman. Wait,
Ydw
are
i'n
you
neud e?
ready fo?
I'm good. Neu ydw fi wedi ni.
Yeah.
Gwneud o.
Fine. It's fine.
Marvel Comics.
Cool.
Hyn wedi bod game dda.
No, babe. It's just stuck.
X-Men. 2. Lemons.
Nice. So,
Yn creu hynna end of the game. Ydy e?
oh, ready press over there?
Good morning, Professor X.
Maybe ni'n mynd down ar like another mission.
How do we prevent the Okay.
Yeah!
Okay, ni'n mynd
Fi'n
ar
meddwl na.
mission arall.
Fi
Okay.
eisiau bod yn big guy.
Yeah.
Maybe fi gallu cael
Oh,
mwy help.
actually,
No.
fi really eisiau bod Nightcrawler again, ond fi ddim. Fi eisiau bod Beast Boy.
Yeah, like
Beast.
test out pob un.
Yeah.
Fi'n y merch. So, actually, fi'n ar un hynna. Ti'n gallu bod yn merch.
What?
Hynna next time.
Yeah, alright.
Okay, go. Let's go.
Ti ang press start.
Oh, fi'n such a noob at a game. Whoa, noob out
Oh
like a
my
lab now.
gosh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like I being like,
Oh
yo,
my-
ooh, yeah.
Okay, so abilities, mae'n gallu cross o.
How, one sec, Ned.
Wait. Ydy Marvel just wedi run mas o
Oh, special
ideas am
movie.
heroes a wedyn maen nhw just wedi copio Hulk mewn i gorilla
Yeah.
form.
Maybe.
Oh, mae Beast Boy ddim gallu double jump o.
Oh!
Mae Beast ddim gallu double jump o. Wait, ydy e?
Fi ddim yn siŵr, cos...
Yeah, ti ddim wedi trio.
Yn brw
Wait, trio.
Brw pen fi yn y...
Trio double jump o.
Na. Fi ddim gallu. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Eh!
Oh! hwnna-
Oh my god, fi bron wedi
Sick,
marw.
edrych hwnna hyn.
Be?
Oh, cool.
O, yna fel air combos.
Wait, beth ma?
Oh my gosh, edrych. Hyn
Sut
cool.
ti'n gwneud hynna?
Ti'n jump at wall. Ti'n jump at wall. Press o B pam ti'n hit o wall. A wedyn press o B eto. Ah.
Fi ddim yn gallu.
Byddwn ni'n mynd o fan hyn.
Probably no. A wedyn lan. Hwnna beth sy'n digwydd. Oh, yeah. Mae rhywun lan fanna.
Yeah.
So ni angen mynd lan i ffwrdd.
Na.
Wait, oh no, ti bron di marw.
Yeah, fi'n gwybod. Ti'n neud gyd o battles situation until fi'n cael help. Os ti'n gweld fel pethau sy'n edrych fel DNA, gad fwy fi.
Beth di hwn?
Oh, na. Oh!
Na.
Oh!
Oh, hwnna.
Hit o'r thing
Yeah,
eto.
fi'n so-
Bwrw o'r thing eto.
Wait.
Okay, dim electrocute yourself.
What?
Mynd i'r other side o'r thing, a wedyn bwrw fo.
Wait.
I went bwrw.
Stop.
Oh,
Nah. Ready to Hey, Ned. Oh, wait. Fi angen neidio dros y thing.
yeah, ti angen neud dros y thing. Oh, yes, yeah, there we go.
Really wedi torri fo.
Genius 2017.
Yeah, I know. Oh,
Oh,
Ned,
whoops.
ready fi.
Oh, sorry.
Really mad.
Sorry, fi ddim wedi go with my way
Na, fi
forward.
angen un. Na.
Oh, fi na die. Yeah, fi'n magical. What do we?
Wait,
Oh,
Ned,
oh, mae
ours.
rhywbeth yn open
Yeah,
up. Ars fan hyn.
Ours am-
Os mae rhywbeth
ours
yn
i
dod,
neidio.
neidio. Oh,
Oh,
ti'n mar. Ti'n mar.
Oh, fi'n terrible.
Mae graphics yn mynd yn... Mae fel...
Yeah.
Mae fel animation yn mynd yn
Mae'n
smoother
cool i gweld,
i
like,
marw.
sut beth oedd efalu, like, bobl fan wedi, like, fel ni.
Yeah. Fi
Oh,
ddim
I
credu ei marw unwaith. Well, cyn ti, anyway.
Yma Arian, oh, like, bydd ti gallu cael hyn, like, beth ti'n meddwl bydd o? Pump.
Well, mae'n game dda
A
o fe
wedyn,
marw.
oh, na.
Game over.
Okay.
Okay.
Diolch
Diolch am gwylio ni'n chwarae X-Men 2. Yeah, mae e bod really hwyl.
Yeah.
Diolch am gwylio. Hwyl fawr.
Gadw's